Jalen. Coming to see your babies. We have a little girl, Bambino. She is teal and white. And then we have another little girl, Bambino. She's also teal and white. Then we have a little boy, Bambino. Hi, honey. Hi, Hammy. And then we have a little Sphinx boy. He's all fuzzy. He's so sweet. And then we have another little Bambino boy. He's the little runt. And we have Mama. Hi, Jalen. She says, I'm out. I'm out of here. She got all fuzzy with her babies, but she's losing it now. Now she's all patchy. It's coming all out. Oh, there we go. Now we can see them a little better. So this one's name is Jackson, or Jax. And his name is Jagger. What was the other one? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Hi, Annie. They're so weebly wobbly. You got yourself all twisted there. There you go. Aww. Hi, pretty girl. He's sleeping. Little Jagger. Hi, pretty girl. Are you sleepy? Did I wake you up? Hi, little Jackson. Look at the weevil wobble. All right, babies. Nice to see you. Bye.